Hi everyone, it is nice to meet you. I believe that each of us has an ideal home. Generally, people think about the ideal home by considering its location, size, view, facilities, and features. For example, I'd like a really big house on the beach. I'd like to have 3 bedrooms and 2 parking spaces. By the way, do you prefer houses or apartments? Listen to these opinions about houses and apartments. Which ones are about space?
1.
Apartments are too small for pets.
2.
Apartments aren't big enough for families.
3.
Apartments don't have as many rooms as houses.
4.
Apartments have just as many expenses as houses.
5.
Apartments don't have enough parking spaces.
6.
Houses cost too much money.
7.
Houses aren't as safe as apartments.
8.
Houses aren't as convenient as apartments.
9.
Houses don't have enough closet space.
10.
Houses don't have as much privacy as apartments.
In this lesson, you are going to describe houses and apartments by evaluating and compare them using adjectives and nouns. Evaluation and comparison both are judgments. But a comparison evaluates one thing against another. In the previous listening activity, we can evaluate that we use adjectives before enough and after to. Now, please study the following examples. Then, for making comparisons with adjectives and nouns, please study the following rules. For more examples, please go to our Google Classroom and practice by doing the assignment in the classwork. Good luck and thanks for watching.